Hey everyone, today in this video, we will showcase one of our projects titled NFT Marketplace creation based on the Ethereum network. Firstly, let me give you a quick overview of NFT. Now, NFT is a non-fungible token. It is a digital or cryptographic asset with a unique identification code and metadata, which differentiate it from fungible tokens on the blockchain. There are two types of tokens. The first is fungible and the other one is non-fungible token. Fungible tokens are cryptocurrencies like bitcoins and digital assets that lives on the blockchain like Ethereum. In comparison, the non-fungible tokens are images or different kinds of media. So in this project, we created a marketplace where we can generate our own NFTs and users or viewers can tip the creator of NFT and sell NFTs. For example, if you are using Instagram and like any post, you can pay the author directly, as Instagram is a distributed network where the relationship between the creator and the user is generated via centralized platform. It is the same with YouTube and other media channels. So here we are trying to create a direct relationship between the creator and the user to assist those who want to buy the NFT and tip the creator for its creation. Here is the home page where we have some digital assets or all NFTs listed on our app on the Ethereum network. Currently, the images related to NFTs are stored on the interplanetary file system network, and the NFT points to the link of that particular NFT on that IPFS network. Let's understand it by taking an example. If a new user logs in, you should have a MetaMask extension installed in your Chrome browser or any other browser you are using and have an account on MetaMask. After signing up on the platform with MetaMask, we can create our own NFTs by going to Add NFT option. You have to provide the link to the file you want to create as an NFT. For an example, you can select any image file or any other kind of media from your PC that you want to convert into NFT. For creating your NFT, fill in a short description such as title of your NFT like digital NFT collection, and then you can decide if the image is open for sale or not, to specify if you want to sell this NFT or not. And here you can enter the sale price, and if you want to sell this NFT, you should describe the price at which you want to sell the NFT. And after that, by clicking on upload an image to blockchain and agreeing to the MetaMask transaction, the image will be stored on the IPFS network and your NFT will be generated. So for this transaction, we can say to create the NFT on the platform, some gas fees need to be paid in Ethereum's native currency, Ether. It is the fee you must pay to make a transaction. As you can see, the image is now embedded on IPFS and our NFT has been created successfully. As you can see here, currently it does not have any tips to it. So for an example, as you can see, this is the author of this account that generated the NFT 0x0500. And if you go to the NFT section, you can also check whether this is the author of the NFT or the creator of the NFT. And it is open for sale for 0.9 ethers. We can buy it and just tip the author for its creation. If I want to tip the NFT, first of all, I need to have another account because this account is the creator of the NFT. Now it is the another account. If you go to tip the author, 0.1 ethers will be deducted from my account and transferred to the author's account. As you can see, our transaction is confirmed. First, there was 0 ether as a tip on this NFT, and now it's 0.1 as a tip on this NFT. And 0.1 ether is just deducted from our account and transferred to the creator of the account. Now, if we go to the explore section of our app here, for example, we have 5 NFTs on our platform right now. So in the explore section, we have the details about currently trending NFT based on their tips, rates, the price of the NFT and other statistics. This NFT is on top of our marketplace, and we can also see the activities on the marketplace. For example, there are all the activities in our marketplace. Right now, I will show you that there is the tip generated from the account number, and the tip is 0.1 Ether on this NFT, and the price of the NFT is 0.9 Ether, and there is also a timestamp for that. So here we can verify all the creations, all the NFT generated on our platform, and all the sales and purchases. For example, all the tips to that NFT, and we can also buy the NFT right now. As you can see, account 0xF3E is the author of that NFT, and we have another account 0x050 which right now has Ether in it. And now if another account comes to our platform, the amount is changed. For example, this account wants to buy that NFT, so they have to pay the 0.9 ETH to that creator. So we go to buy this NFT, and we just have to create a transaction of the 0.9 Ether to the creator's wallet. As you can see, the NFT is generated and the author's address is changed. If we go to the activities, we have a record for a sale to the NFT right now. As you can check the timestamp, the NFT is transferred from this account to this account, and the transaction amount is 0.9 Ether. And now, if we check the creator of this NFT, this is the one we just pulled. And you can see in these logs, all these are the logs generally for that particular NFT. The logs are generated like what kinds of transaction history are related to this NFT. This NFT receives a tip, then it goes for the sale, an NFT ID, owner address, and total tips, and the platform or the network blocks. The network on which NFT is generated is also shown here. For example, what I mean by selling the NFT from this account is the creator of NFT. Whenever a third person comes in, for example, whenever this account tips to the creator, the amount will go to the person who just bought that NFT. For example, here we have the tip log right now, and you can see the tip goes to the person who just bought our NFT, and we have also the details section about the accounts. We have an account section and the details about the current NFTs purchased on the marketplace along with the transaction details. For example, which NFT these accounts are on and what this account does, the activities. For example, this account tipped the creator and the NFT just sold this account. So these are all the logs for a particular account, and we can also change the account. So there is no need to sign in and the user is completely anonymous. We need to give a MetaMask account. The account will automatically be generated when we make a transaction on this platform, whether creating or selling or giving a tip to the creator. If I change the account section is changed and the NFT related to that account and other information of that NFT is changed. So this is the NFT marketplace. That's all for this project. If you have any project requirements based on NFT development, smart contract creation of NFTs, or NFT marketplace development and deployment, you can count on us. Contact ForceBolt, a leading full-stack development company, to discuss the present and the future of NFTs. Thank you for watching.